Hello everyone. Let's start with the US stock indices and we'll see of course what do we have as a price prediction for the daily close where we have a zigzag so far, 1 to 1 fib level perfectly taken. As we mentioned, this is our key level. We saw a reaction over there. We got to be careful with it. However, what is very interesting is that we still potentially here in kind of like a wave 1 2, or if your wave 1 is over here, A, B, and a C wave 2, still can be. We have a kind of like a reaction over there at the 1 to 1 fib level with kind of like a finished impulse in a wave 3, as we mentioned today, a little bit higher to finish this wave 5. And we are looking for the wave 4 target, which is already hit right now so far. Um, in case we're still looking for lower, can be possible 0.38 here, can still be taken even for lower a little bit. Timing, I would say, also still required based on the wave 2, whether even the wave 1 is there. So I'm taking the wave 1 here because you can be very likely in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 somehow. I know it's a very weird wave 4, very long than wave 2, but of course it's not an invalidation at the end. But basically, if this is a 1, 2, even the wave 2 is still large based on this wave 4. So I'm expecting still even a larger wave 4. So at least we're talking here about as a time frame, I'm talking about, let's say, is this area. Yes. So still very far, guys, very far to be finished. So I still see a way forward that it might take more time here to range and then pushing for higher later on in a wave 5. So we'll see how this is going to happen unless it comes the unless scenario right now, which is a W, X, and a Y. If we are in a W here, kind of, yeah, can be a possibility, and then a wave Y in 3 waves. Because we are in ABC so far for a W, X, and a Y, so we gotta be careful. This might be a trap here in case it happens. So, of course, the next price here, if we break it, that is, of course, indication for something is going on. Very likely a W, X, and a Y is done and finished here, and we're looking for something else. So confirmation for higher, yes, it's taken. Now it's gonna transform to invalidation of bullish. Okay, so this is our invalidation of bullish, meaning if the wave 4 dive deeper, takes the 24K 297, that means invalidation of the impulse. We're looking simply toward the downside for continuation towards our target anyway, which we're looking for it anyway, which is the 0.3822K. So I would say the wave B here, in case we are in a wave A, wave B very fast, yes, can be, and then we push very massively toward the downside, guys. This is regarding Nasdaq. Let's see SPX as well. So for SPX, we're still looking also for our wave 1 and 2 here, still unfolding. Wave 2 still need to be a 3 waves toward the downside. On our chart here, if we take a closer look, we still have an impulse, perfect impulse, A, B, and a C, and then 1, 2, 3, and then we need the wave 4 and the wave 5. Now, if you take the 1 to 1 fib level taken from the wave A to the wave B here, you can see clearly it's the same as Nasdaq. It has been taken, and we're still ranging for a wave 4, which is interesting. That is a good signal, I would say. Let's say the wave 1 is somewhere here. You got ABC as an expanding flat there, and this is your timing for a wave 2, wave 4, sorry. The wave 4 target required over this area is yeah, required exactly over here. So we're looking for this red box here for a wave 4. We'll see if this is going to happen, guys. So I would say wave 4 is very interesting to because it looks like somehow still unfolding, yeah, but it can be something impulsive. Be careful with it. In case that we break it down and we push for lower here, it might be, of course, a very interesting to watch is this invalidation of bullish. Okay, so this is our signal that yes, we continue the drop toward the downside towards the 0.38 fib level. 6,075 is, if I still remember right, and let me check. Yes, $6,075 to be hit. This is regarding SPX. For Dow Jones as well, yeah, very interesting. We got also this pump toward the upside as a wave 3. We mentioned that, okay, we're going to get a wave 4, wave 5, wave C, and a wave B, one-to-one taken. And yeah, so basically we were looking already, I mentioned that I'm looking for a massive move here, and it has been given. Now, Dow Jones, it says already that nothing is at a 1 2 here. Definitely it's an A, B, and a C. It can be possible that we might get one more high. Yes, very likely. Can be something as an ending diagonal and then pushing downward. So we gotta be careful with Dow Jones. Things might be close to push towards the downside very, very soon. Okay, so because for me, it's a finished perfect zigzag. Yeah, it's a perfect one. Maybe one more high, yes, and then pushing very, very massively downward here as an A, B, and a C. And we are looking here for the 0.3844K, $668. That was it for the US stock indexes, and we'll see you tomorrow with a new day. Trade safe. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord, and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.